Welcome to my channel. This is Mario Lloyd, also known as Real Estate Guru PK. On this channel, we talk about my real estate endeavors. We also have the top real estate producers and the top entrepreneurs in the country. Be sure to click the link below with Justin P with his Support Black Colleges marketing course. Also with Jason White's Crack the Code affiliate link, click that below as well. Also to support the channel, Webull, M1 Finance, Chase, Discover, Robinhood, and Public, a stock trading app. We hope you enjoyed this episode. This is Real Estate Guru PK signing up. Shout out to my plumber Jerome. He's the one that got me this house. He knew the owner, Mr. Criswell. He lives across the street. It kind of was strategically because he said he knew everybody in his neighborhood. He did plumbing on everybody in his neighborhood. So I was like, all right, well, if I move him over here, he knows everybody. He gets some house for me. So it happened like within a couple of weeks after I was done with the other house. We closed last week, and I'm about to give him a nice little referral fee. He probably won't pay rent for probably 2 months or something or whatever. And then, so anyway, about the rehab, I'm gonna get my electrician to do the breaker box tomorrow morning. We're pulling a permit today. I already got a rehab permit from the city to do the inside. And then when he's done, we're gonna start the framing Friday. And then after we're done with that, he's gonna start the plumbing. And then we're gonna do the electrical inside. We're gonna pull another permit for electrical inside, and we're gonna pull a permit for the plumbing. We're gonna rewire the whole house. Then we're gonna put the walls up, hopefully the same day, because we don't want them to steal it. And then we're gonna do the roof while they're doing all of that. And then we're gonna do all the cosmetic, we're gonna do the tile. We're gonna do the laminate, put the toilet, the tile up. And then we're gonna convert the garage into a room, so it's gonna be a 4-2. And we're gonna put an extra restroom in the garage. It should take me about 2 to 3 months, more likely 3 months, depending on how the permits go. Y'all follow me on my journey. Fourth room. We're gonna put, like I said, we're gonna put I don't know if we're gonna put a door here or the little sliding door. Replace all the windows. We're gonna replace the receptacle, and we're gonna replace all the lights and all the wiring. And then we're not gonna put any fans. We're just gonna put like a light because I have HVAC as well. This is like the second room. The master bedroom is gonna be in the garage. So we're gonna replace all the receptacles. We're gonna rewire the whole house. We're gonna replace all the baseboards. We're gonna replace the windows. They have wall units. I don't really do wall units. I do HVAC, and I do HVAC, heating, and AC, so I don't really deal with the wall units. So we're gonna have to replace literally all the windows. We can replace this tub. They took the toilet out, that's cool. I'm gonna put my vanity right here. There's like a little closet thing right here where we usually take that out. That's like the old school, where we can add more room to, I guess, use the restroom. They had like a little particle board. I don't know what that is. We're gonna put a tile here. And then, like I said, we're gonna replace that window. And then we're gonna repaint it. We might replace the walls too and then replace the door. And then, of course, we're gonna have tile in here because it's a restroom. It's just an 800 square foot house, so that's not that much living space that the contractor could just get the laminate and just go crazy. And it's not gonna be that complicated like the last house where it had like a big living room and then the 3 rooms were like separated and then you had the kitchen. The last house was like 1,400 square feet. This house is like 800, and then you add over here, which is not a lot. So it's probably gonna be like 1,200 square feet, but it's so like I said, it's compact, and then the living space is like not so wide, so it's easy for them to just knock everything out, like put tile here and then put laminate here, and then redo the baseboards. So it's kind of easy. So it's probably not easy to a regular person might not think it's easy, but to me it's easy because I've done it so many times. Like I flipped a lot of properties, wholesaled a lot of properties, and refinanced a lot of properties. Y'all follow me on my journey.